everybody, how are you today? My name is Laura. Thank you for stopping by my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I outline my undercut. So lately I've been really loving to have a zero on my undercut, which looks real bald. You know how I love having the white look next to the red hair that I have? But sometimes I'm letting it grow out, and if I do let it grow out, I have to keep it outlined because I don't like when it starts looking fuzzy around my ear. You can see here that my hair around the outsides is like pretty patchy, and this is like the ugliest sideburn I've ever seen, so I have to fix it up. So I already did this side over here just to show you what I'll be doing. So it's just a nice little pointed triangle, and down in the back here, this is just going to scoop in nicely like that. And you don't have to do the back. The back is super hard. I'm still learning myself how to do it. But the front, I feel like, is a necessity if you're going to have the undercut and you're going to be spacing out your haircuts. So because this just looks so much cuter over here. You see if I have my hair up, you just see this nice little point. I find that the point is more feminine than the squared bottom, which is a bit more masculine, but that's totally up to you and the style that you want to do. But mine, I'm going to show you how to do it just like this. So what you first do, you're going to want to get your hair up and out of the way. So put a nice big bun or something. Whoop, this is not going to go twice. So get this up, and then you need to have like a pair of edgers, something like a tiny little pair of clippers that's going to get a really nice tight close shave. Get this up. So, and what I'm going to do is start over on this side in the front, and you just need to figure out what kind of shape is going to look nice. So as you can see, I have like a little point down here, and then I have all of this extra little bit of hair right there that's not so nice. So what I'm going to do is try to just get rid of that and shave it off, and then I'm just going to sharpen up this line right around there too on the ear. So I'm going to do the ear first. And you can do a little practice run first with this. Try with your little edges turned off. Try it a few times and then turn them on and do the actual cut. And you can just pull your ear down just a little bit. And just using the corner here, you'll just lightly shave yourself out a little curve. And you don't really want to cut too far into the hairline. You just want to get the long hairs that are over here. And then you can fold this back and just get a little bit behind here. And there's the bottom done. And now for the front, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the corners somewhere here, and then watch this corner, and I'm going to try to match this corner up to the bottom corner I want here. Put them right next to each other. And then I'm going to pivot that. And you see when I pivot that on here, this little line here is going to make a nice arc all the way up to there. And just put it on. And then pivot. And you can just like keep going slightly further in if you need to get your pivot point right. And just shave off the little bits, but you just want to do it a little bit at a time. And you can edit it up there. See? Because you don't want to take off too much. You don't need to go really far into your hairline. You just want to have like a nice cute little boop point. And then if you want to square it off, you can just like that, at whatever height you want. You know, lower, again, is more masculine. Higher is a little bit more feminine because, you know, most girls don't really have too much of a sideburn there. And then that's nice and natural. Matches my other side. Cute. And now for the back. I already did the hard side, so I'm going to try to do this other side for you. It's really hard. I suggest putting a cape on, but I haven't put one on. And, ooh, to move that. So over here, I'm going to put my blade this way, and I'm just going to, you see I already have this line marked out. All I want is to get rid of this, because this is like disgusting. Can you see that? Well, it's not so disgusting, but let me tell you guys, when I was a kid, my boyfriend that I had in the 7th grade called me carpet neck because I had a short haircut. So now, forever, I have to get rid of this carpet neck. So, okay, here we go. I'm just going to, whoop. I have a mirror set up back there. Just try to line it right up with that arc. Carpet neck gone, guys. Carpet neck gone. There. And honestly, you can get a friend to help you with this because this is really hard. And now you can see I still have this little point in the bottom here, but I'm just going to leave that. I'm not going to attempt to do it myself, and it looks just almost like it's faded and naturally. So I'm a fan. So there. And that looks so much better. Now I don't even mind that my hair is long because the outsides have been cleaned up. This is about 2 weeks growth from my 0. And like, it's hard to get in to get your hair done all of the time. Me, I just normally do it myself, but this is what I do on my in-between. So there you go. I hope that this has helped you. Let me know how it goes, please, and if you have any questions at all, please just let me know down below in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel, and please come back next week, and I'll see you then, guys. Bye!